And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mix Awards, and welcome to another episode of Mix Awards Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is yes, my prize from the third runner-up winning with me of the Hobby Toys Laguna 7th year anniversary build-off. We have the Neko Busou Tenko Mori. Yep. So as you can see in the box art, it's a cute kitty cat riding or equipped with a tank attachment. Okay, so that's the front of it. Up to the side, some information. Yeah, here you can see it says that you have 4 components and the kitty cat to turn it into this one. Yep. So that's all you have it. And what's outside the box? Now let's see what's inside. So when we open, okay, I'm greeted with a one plastic bag with 3 runners. Another plastic bag. Oh, and it's the kitty. The kitty is already here. And the backpack and one more runner. And what's inside? Yep, more individual runners. It's another bag with a green and black runner. Another bag, same. 2 runners, 1 green, 1 black. And last runner, yep. Last bag with a green runner and a black runner as well. Is that all? Oh, and we have the instruction manual. So here we have the instruction manual for Neko Busou. So it's really actually like a already built up model kit. You just need to assemble it and form the kitty cat. Okay, so let's take a look individually at each of these boxes. Okay, so first off we have runner A, which is all green and all green, and I think it's some part of a turret, I think. Then we have here runner B, same shade of green. Runner C, we can see here the tank tracks already. Runner D, we also have runner E, and we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 F1 runners. I'm thinking these are the ABS plastics that would make them move, for the polo caps and stuff like that. F2 runner, a J3 runner, and of course we have the kitty cat himself. Yep, it's already assembled. Let's put him there. And of course the backpack, which I think would go right over here. Or was it the other side? Yeah, there we go. Sorry for doing that off cam. So there we go. The kitty cat already equipped with his backpack or house or whatever you want to call it. So there you have it, Plamo fans and folks. That was what's inside the Neko Busou Tenko Mori plastic model kit. Again, this is from Bandai, and this is one of my prizes from the Hobby Toys Laguna 7th year anniversary build-off. So I'll be leaving a link down below going to Hobby Toys Laguna. So if you are new here, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and sharing the videos. So this is Mix Wars saying, until next time, see you and thank you.